welcome to another video. I guess this is gonna be cooking with Abby since Ryan is not here right now. I'm gonna be making some super easy slow cooker chicken tortilla soup. I'll kind of go through the steps just a little bit. I'm not a pro or anything, but I'm pretty good at following recipes, so hopefully this will turn out well. I think Ryan and Levi are both gonna do a taste test of this. I have most of my ingredients set out here and have also prepped some of it. So I'll kind of go through what our ingredients are and kind of the steps of what we're going to do. This is gonna be a lot less chaotic than what Ryan's cooking videos are. Like I said, I'm not a pro, but I'm pretty good at actually following directions and recipes. Much better than some people who live here. So now we're just going to throw everything into the crock pot, and I will be back with you once we do the tortillas and make some crispy strips with those. I forgot to mention that we are going to let this cook for probably like 2 hours. And then I'm going to shred the chicken, add black beans and corn, and then cook another hour. I don't really know. I'm just gonna go with it, and hopefully that works out okay. And I do have it on high heat for right now so that it cooks faster. Okay, so it's actually only been an hour, but I think the chicken's pretty done. So I already shredded that, and I'm going to add in the corn and the black beans and the chicken then, and also add in some of the cilantro, and probably let it cook on high for honestly another hour, and then it should be pretty good to go from there. So I will see. I forgot to shred a piece of the chicken. Okay. Okay, one quick thing. I am gonna put some lime in, and I'm gonna let this actually cook for maybe an hour or something on low, since it is pretty much cooked through, but I'm just gonna put some lime juice in there. Okay, real quick with the tortillas, all I did was put them in the oven at 375. I baked it on one side for about 6 minutes and then kind of flipped them over as best as I could and cooked them for maybe another 6 minutes. But they were super easy to make. I just cut them up into the strips and also put oil on each side so that they would get super crispy.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Ryan Graham. I'm about to try this.
Look at that garbage in the background.
What's up, garbage? I'm about to try this soup that Abby's works. It's very hot. It's very hot. I don't like it. We've been drinking for a little bit.
Yeah.
We've been drinking since like 12 in the afternoon.
Can I eat it?
Yeah, try it.
Okay.
Is there avocados in there?
Oh, yeah.
Do you like it?
Say no.
No, say yes.
That's very nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, I like that. That's tasty.
I mean, it's just a whole bunch of stuff thrown into a crock pot, so I can't say it was that hard to
What
make.
do you give it out of 10?
I give it, Tostitos Party Dip bowls out of 10.
Wait, how many?
5.
5 Tostitos party bowls out of 10?
Yeah, that's a pretty high rating. It's very homey.
I'll be honest, it's a little dry.
What's dry? It's literally soup.
It's
The
mostly
chicken
water.
is a little dry.
In broth.
It could use some salt, Matt.
Okay, do you have anything else interesting to say, or can I?
Yeah, it's better. It's better with salt.
Salt.
It's better with.
Thanks for watching. I don't know what we're gonna do next time. Maybe a dessert.
Macaroons?
And, no, because the last time I made macaroons, I got really sick the next day, and now I think macaroons will remind me of throwing up. So probably not those, but something.
Subscribe. Bye.